I had been wanting to try out this for the longest time, and I'm so excited that today finally we get to unbox it and I give you my first impressions like usual. What's up, you guys? This is your wing lady and I'm back today with another beautiful video. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Wing Lady is doing great. So today we get to talk about new perfumes from Paris Corner, Fragrance World and Maison Alhambra. So let's get to it. From the house of Fragrance World, they just released this one called Hayaati Belle. And Hayaati Belle, as I've heard, is actually the inspiration to La Belle Le Parfum. Now personally, I'm not really enjoying this much. I have not tried La Belle Le Parfum. But this one, it's good. It opens up beautifully. But then when it dries down, something smells skanky in there. There's something in there that makes it off-putting. I don't know what it is about it. The initial opening is beautiful, it's bright, it's energetic, it's fruity, it's sweet. But when it dries down, I cannot tolerate it. I don't know what it is in there that's giving me. I read the notes, and at the top you have pear and peach. At the heart notes you have lily of the valley, ylang ylang, tonka bean and jasmine. Then at the base note you have musk, vanilla and woodsy note. Honestly, you see that pear and peach is what you get right off the opening. It's so juicy, fruity, sweet. It's the kind of fragrance that I like. But you see, after it dries down, I cannot tolerate it. There is something in there that is attacking my nose. Like, it smells so bad. I don't know how. I cannot tolerate the dry down. I know a lot of people actually enjoy this, which is good. If you enjoy fragrances, enjoy them. But to me, something smells bad in Hayaati Belle after it has dried down. The first 5 minutes are the best part of the perfume. After 5 minutes, the rest that you get is not it at all. I don't know what it is. It's putting me off and I'm not enjoying it. I'm not liking it at all. I wish I could actually enjoy it as much as I want to, but after they dry down, there's a skanky note in there that really bothers me and is affecting my ability to enjoy this fragrance. So Hayaati Belle is not for me. It's not for me. The opening, I wish I could keep on respraying and enjoying the opening, but after the opening, it goes downhill. It does average on skin. It gives me around 3 to 4 hours on skin. Not so much if you ask me, actually below average. And then on clothes, it does around 18 to 24. It's not really a fragrance that stays on you. It doesn't last long. Let's just say 15 to 18 hours on your clothes. It doesn't last that much. Thankfully, because I really don't like that smell after they dry down. I don't know what it is about it, but it bothers me a lot. I cannot deal with the dry down. If you like it, definitely go for it. But wing lady to you, you don't need this. The dry down is not it. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is Roi Radiant Roses from the house of Paris Corner. Now, I heard that there's a Roi and then there's now Roi Radiant Roses. I don't know if this one again is another Delina or Delina exclusive inspiration. But it smells amazing. It projects and it lasts so long. I've not said anything about it, but I've said everything. Roi Radiant Roses actually smells so good. It's sparkling, it's watery, it's roses, it's sweet, it's elegant, it's powdery, it's everything you need your rose fragrance to be. Roi Radiant Roses is actually doing it for me. This is what I mean when I say give me a rose fragrance. This is how I want my roses done. Sparkling, effervescent, modern, unique, sweet, classy, elegant. Roi Radiant Roses is checking all the boxes. Plus it comes in that pretty red bottle. So if you're thinking of buying it, go ahead. You have to go ahead with this one. Roi Radiant Roses is where it's at. It smells really good. And it projects. The amazing thing about this one is that it projects. If you are wearing this and people around you, they will smell you. They will definitely smell you. There's nothing like, oh, I wore this and they didn't really smell you. Not with this particular one. In Roi Radiant Roses, it actually projects, it blows. If you wear this, people in that room will definitely smell you. It smells good. It smells high class. It smells elegant. If you're a lady that likes floral scents, you like rosy scents, I would advise you to get this one. And it lasts well enough. It does 5 to 6 hours on your skin and it does 18 to 24 hours on your clothes. Plus the projection. I mean, you get everything you need with this. Royal Radiant Roses, Paris Corner did a thing. I've not smelled the original Royal, but this one is dope. This one is ticking all the boxes. This one is good. Get it. For the notes of Royal Radiant Roses, at the top you have bergamot, peach, chocolate, fresh citrus, and lemon. Ooh, no wonder it's sparkling in the beginning. It's just tart, citrusy. Then at the heart you have rose, freesia, magnolia, sweet orange, and floral jasmine. This gives it the blend, the smoothness. And then at the base you have sandalwood, vanilla, sugary heavy musk, soft amber, and then powdery notes. They all come together. They are working very, very well for the good of the perfume. Royal Radiant Rose is worth your coins. If you're thinking of buying it, definitely go ahead. It's beautiful. On to the third one before we unbox Khair Confection. This is Athena from the house of Maison Alhambra, and so far so good. I've not smelled Khair Confection, but Athena is my favorite. Why didn't you guys tell me it was this beautiful? Oh my god, I need a full bottle. I actually wanted to get a full bottle, but it was out of stock. That's just my luck. Anytime I want to buy something that actually catches my attention, is out of stock. It smells sweet, creamy, floral, vanilla. You don't have a lot of fruit in here, so the sweetness is not really coming from fruits. I wonder what it is, but this perfume smells so expensive. It smells so high class. You wouldn't believe that it's actually one of the more affordable Arabic perfumes. You know, Middle Eastern perfumes now, their prices are just ridiculous. They just keep going high and high and high. I'm hearing $60, $80, $70. This particular one is not that high. It smells super rich and well blended. It smells really, really good. It smells high class, like an expensive perfume. You wouldn't expect to get this kind of perfume in such an affordable price range. For the notes of Athena, at the top you have maize, cypress, thyme, green notes, saffron, and fruit. At the heart you have jasmine, orris, and rose. And at the base you have amber, leather, vanilla, musk, vetiver, and cedar. Is it crack? I don't know. Everything that they put inside here is working. Athena is where it's at. If you're looking for a beautiful, soft, powdery, floral vanilla fragrance, Athena will do it for you. It smells so classy. It smells so high class, you know. Ish, I like it. And it's blended very well. Everything is just giving what it's supposed to give, you know. Not too much, not overwhelming, not in your face, not beast mode. This is not beastly, but it lasts long. It doesn't project much, but it lasts long, okay? On your skin, it will definitely give you 6 to 8 hours on your skin. And then on your clothes, 24 hours. It does a good 24 hours on your clothes without going anywhere. Athena is good. Athena is good. If you're thinking of getting it, definitely get this one. Is worth all the price. Plus, it's actually affordable, so you don't stand to lose anything, I guess. Yes, thumbs up for Athena. It's worth every hype. If you've seen people hyping Athena, that's a beautiful vanilla fragrance, they were not lying. They were not lying. This is really, really good. It's those kind of vanilla fragrances that you just want to keep sniffing and sniffing and sniffing. It's addicting. It's intoxicating. Ash, I love it. I love it. And now on to the final one. Yes. Now let's unbox this baby together. I hear this is an inspiration of rock sugar, so I was like, I have to have my hands on it, because that perfume, the OG perfume, was like, how can I get my hands on that sugary sweetness? Because they made it seem so delicious. I had to have it, and if I don't have it, at least I have this. And if this is a 1-to-1, I'm gonna be so happy. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, wow, it's beautiful. This is stunning. I mean, I have all the Khair bottles, okay? I have all of them, and so far so good. This is the prettiest of them all. Even Khair Fusion does not hold a candle to this. Look at how pretty this looks. We're matching, we're matching, we're matching. Hey, I like it. Let's hope it smells as good as it looks. on skin, because honestly, first impressions are best done on skin. Please be good. I beg you, be good. I'm just going to allow. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna be too excited. I'm just going to allow. I want to allow it to dry down so that the alcohol smell can evaporate. But it's not allowing me. My nose is being attacked. You guys, go and get it. Go and get it. I don't know what to tell you. It's delicious. It's bubble gummy candy sweet. How did they get this? Oh wow. Oh my god. How did they come about this delicious goodness? Hey! It's sweet. It's sweet, it's candy-ish, it's bubble gummy. It smells like yeah, gummy bears, like this sweet, peachy, sugary gummy bears. Like candy, literally. Like you want to literally bite into this. I'm seriously tempted right now. But I know perfumes are bitter. You cannot lick this. But guys, you have the go ahead. I don't know of the performance and the projection. And I don't know if it's going to get better after maceration. But right now, after unboxing Khair Confection, rush and go and buy it. Anywhere you see this, if you're a sweet perfume lover, you like sweet perfumes, get this. But if you don't really like sweet scent, like you don't like perfumes that are too sweet, you feel like they're too juvenile for you, or you don't like to smell like bubble gums, okay, avoid this. But don't avoid it totally. Still try and get like a tester. I think you're going to be convinced. This is really good. This is really good. I don't know the notes yet and everything. I'm going to come back with a review for you. Let me know when you want to see like a full review. Maybe a maceration update after, like, I don't know, after a month or two, you want to see a maceration update. I'll try and bring a maceration update on this one. But I know it's definitely going to smell sweeter with time. So far, so good. First impression, this is amazing. It is amazing on all counts. Honest to God, this is amazing. If you like sweet scents, this would be your jam. Rush out now. Go and buy it. Don't even contemplate. Just go out and get it right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like it, give it a huge thumbs up, and then subscribe to my channel for more of me. And until next time, you guys, I love you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ciao.